What is new in the color correction kit version 3? Well, here in the color correction kit in the third folder, there's many new lookup tables for vlog, and especially these ones with S in the end and this new high lookup table. And the S simply means softness, and the high is a new look for vlog that gives you kind of something similar to Red or Ari Alexa. So that's kind of a high-end look, at least what I think it is. Anyway, so let me show you. So here we have a vlog footage converted with the Film 2 lookup table, and if I turn it to Film 2S, you can see it gives it a bit more softness, making it a bit more filmic. And then here's another example of video 2, and now if I use one of the new ones, the high 1S, it really treats the skin tones a bit differently. And then let me show you another example of the high. So this is Film 2, this is vlog converted with the Film 2. But if I go to high 1S, or let's say high 1, you can see it treats the highlights especially very differently. It gives that really nice natural kind of roll-off, that saturation is not so high on the highlight areas. And those are basically the new lookup tables for vlog. And then I'll be adding new features to the color correction kit sooner or later. And below this video, there's a quick list of future updates that I'm going to do in the near couple of days or in a couple of weeks. Okay, bye.